Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your scheduling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Calendly. Whether you're updating personal info, rebranding, or just making a tweak, this process is quick and simple. Start by heading to the Calendly homepage. Once there, look to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Profile. This is your control center for personal account changes. On your profile page, you'll see fields to edit your name. Enter the new name you want displayed, making sure it aligns with how you want clients and colleagues to see you. After updating your name, scroll down to find the Save Changes button and click it. This step is crucial. If you leave the page without saving, your edits won't take effect. And that's it. Your new name will now appear on all scheduled meetings and communications moving forward. A quick tip: log out and back in, or ask a colleague to confirm that your name appears correctly, just to be safe. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Calendly tutorials.